How to add interaction in Figma. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add interactions to your designs like button clicks, page transitions, and hover effects using Figma's prototyping feature. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on a device. After that, click on search bar and open Figma app. Now open a file, or you can also create a new one. After that, start by designing your frames or screen. These are different pages or views your user will interact with. Next, click on the Prototype tab on the right hand panel to switch from design mode to interaction mode. Now select the element you want to make interactive like a button and drag the blue circle node to the frame you want it to go. A menu will pop up. Choose the trigger like on click, action like navigate to, and animation like smart animate or instant. You can also change the trigger to while hovering or while pressing to add hover or press interactions for buttons and icons. To test it out, click the play icon in the top right corner. You'll see your design in action with all interactions working. And that's it. This is how you add interactions in Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.